be right back. But
Yeah, take your time.
It's live.
Check out Rive Speed. Timeline speed.
I'm back. I gotta configure my stuff. Can you hear me still?
Yes.
Nice.
Is he good?
Yeah.
Just needed a blanket.
Yeah, he has a little dog that, like, he holds. Sometimes he gets away. You can't find it.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. I'm just finishing setting up my camera and stuff. Okay. So yeah, I think we're good. We're live. What's up?
Awesome.
Okay. And then, do you
Welcome,
want me to
everybody.
share my screen too?
Yeah, probably you can share your screen. I'll just work on my thing as you work on the main thing. My thing doesn't have to be the main thing.
Okay. I'll zoom in for you. Okay. Yeah, but you got the repo running?
I've got it. I got it running. Yep.
And you're able to run the app?
I did not try that.
Okay. It hopefully should just work for you.
Yeah, I just started immediately changing code.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'd say I've just been pushing the main. So I'd say if you're wanting to change stuff, maybe I'll have you do a pull request. So that way we can make sure merges happen.
Yeah, I made a new branch.
Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, that'll be helpful. Okay. Yeah, I kept going a little bit longer yesterday, and I got the onboarding confirm goal screen done. I don't know if you've seen it.
Nice. No.
Yeah,
No, I haven't.
yeah, check it.
Okay, let's walk through it.
The only thing that I don't quite have yet is the confetti. I think we should still do confetti at basic.
Oh, I need to find that video.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
ask chat.
I didn't watch it. I'll have to watch it. But
Okay.
here it is.
Yeah, we'll
Your
find
goal
some
comes
Mario
in.
confetti. Wait, I don't see it.
Oh, you don't? Oh, why is it not? Let me unplug and replug it.
Sorry, we also need to do our quick intro. So, my name's Brett. This is Trevor, and we are doing the RevenueCat Shipathon, where we ship a ton of code. And so, pretty much every night, we've been updating our test flight build of the app Eat the Elephant. The goal of the app is to help you focus on one specific goal and then break that goal down into very small chunks, hence Eat the Elephant. And then as you open up distracting apps on your phone, Eat the Elephant will present you with a short, small task that you could do instead, so that hopefully you can get done your big goal instead of the distracting app that you were going to do.
Yeah.
And
Love it.
thank you, RevenueCat, for hosting this thing and giving us the push we needed.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're excited.
Yeah.
We've been working on the onboarding screens. Here's how it looks so far. It first goes into this ready to stop doom scrolling. If you hit no, it actually opens up the App Store to TikTok, which maybe we need to verify that link again. If you hit yes, then
Maybe
it continues on and allows you to set a specific goal. So I'm going to say like hi.
I do want to take a moment to pause and say the type out text, the terminal text looks great.
Yeah,
We
dude.
we spent for those new, we spent all day yesterday pretty much getting that working.
Oh yeah, and it looks good. I like the
Yeah, great
haptics, but I
job,
feel like
Trevor.
maybe the haptics might be too much. But maybe it's just because I like keep opening it over and over again.
Yeah, you'll normally. Well, I was thinking you'll experience this every time you make a new goal.
Okay.
So if you do end up accomplishing your goal, but haptics will be a setting, so they can turn it off.
Yeah. Cool. But yeah, so you set your goal and you say, let's do this. And then this is the screen that Brett hasn't seen yet. It opens up.
Oh, let's see. Oh, dude. Yeah, yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah. It like raises out of the ashes.
Yeah, just so fun, dude.
Wow.
And
Okay, yeah,
yeah,
we need to, it needs to raise out and then just like pop of confetti.
yeah.
Let
So
me let
all it
me find the
is
thing.
is we got this gold text view. And then yeah, as well, this is still a text
You can
field.
edit it just in
You can
case. Yeah, phenomenal.
yeah, because you can't scroll back.
Hmm.
I guess you can't hit return, so maybe
You should put something on that listens for that. Or I guess return should just
drop the
well,
keyboard, right?
should return say yes and
Maybe.
then open up?
Maybe the issue is
Can we do that? I don't know if Apple will let us do that.
I set the axis to be vertical because if your goal is too big, which it honestly could be like win the revenue cash baton
Oh yeah,
is already
yeah, for
two
sure.
lines. So I had to make it vertical in order for it to like allow multi-line text. And so I think because it's vertical, it's allowing returns.
It could be okay because it could allow returns, but then on the next screen we're gonna remove the returns.
Okay. So yeah,
Like we'll
maybe
just squish it up.
yeah. So I'll make a note of that. Um, in the yes and no button, make sure to remove new line characters, right? And then yeah,
Hmm.
so the idea is it's we got this gold text view. It's just a text field that has these it offsets. So it starts lower. It starts at a zero opacity and it starts at half scale and then it grows into it. And
Yeah,
so
it looked great.
it's just like it's running this animation show gold text to be true, which
Ken.
animates as a spring for two
Mm.
seconds. So it takes 2 seconds to complete the animation.
Yeah, I'll have to look at it on the phone. Normally, you don't want to do opacity with the spring, but
Oh, really?
it looked pretty good.
Yeah, if you need to mess around with stuff, go for it.
Yeah, it looked pretty good. Yeah, and I can mess with it.
But yeah, but then I just wait that same amount of time so that way the animations line up, and I start to show the terminal text. And then when the terminal text finished typing, I showed the yes button, and then after 100 milliseconds, I showed the no button. So it still has that jaggered.
Yeah, same one.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it looked really good.
And then it's just like when you hit the no button or the yes button, it calls the function that's passed in. So it will call this function
Okay.
instead. And now we can continue on. But yeah, this is what it looks like.
And it just, oh man, yeah, that's nice.
And I did have to like the terminal text. I like okay, the gold text it is always on the screen. It's just offset and opacity is changed. The
Okay.
terminal text though, I have to make sure that it isn't shown until this if finishes because if I start it with a low opacity, it actually starts typing out before it's shown. So
Okay.
that's why there's if you like the title comes in and then the title moves up a little bit because this is
I
when
think, no,
ready.
I actually like how it does that
Oh, nice.
because then it draws your eye to the right place.
Oh, cool.
And that's right when the confetti can pop.
Yeah,
So the
dude.
confetti can hit and it can move up.
Nice. Okay. Do we want to do confetti now or do we want to keep going to the next screen?
We can go to the next screen.
Cool. Yeah, next screen is allow screen time. Um, yeah, so let's
Yeah,
try
let's
this.
work on the yes part first.
Yeah, so yes should show screen time API. Okay. And we have our screen time API here. And we set as presented to be true, which shows this family activity picker. So I'm going to put this in the onboarding flow as well. So on the navigation stack. So I have like a state here. And then the selection. Okay. So I think the idea is that just when you hit the yes button, we say show family activity picker equals true. Okay. So you start here, hit yes, go through here. Let's do this.
We could also look at the background,
Oh yeah.
that thing I sent over last night on doing a Z stack. Oh, did you've already given it permission? How come it didn't
I
ask for permission?
maybe yeah. Let's check. Oh, okay. So I do need to do this thing as well, huh? So before we
And
pop this up,
well, you should put this somewhere nice because we can ask permission um, whenever we want to.
that's
So
true.
this isn't like photos where once you ask once, we have to direct them to settings. We can ask them whenever they want. And so in settings, they could just click allow and it happens.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good point.
Which
Um,
is nice. It's
yeah,
interesting that they chose to do that.
yeah, this doesn't return a bool or not. So what I'm worried about is like,
Oh, so we don't know if they've granted access? We
there's
have to be able to check that. You don't think we can check that on the back end and store something in state? Because I would also imagine because they can just turn it off real easy in screen time.
yeah,
So it'd be nice if they turned it off in screen time. If we had something pop up on the app that's like, hey, not a problem, but if you're serious about accomplishing your goal, like
like try it
give
out.
permission. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe like we do have this authorization status that's published, so this might update. Yeah, this has got to be it. So not determined,
Okay.
denied, or approved.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll be able to do something. So I guess
Okay.
for now, it should first ask for permission. And then if it happens, then we say true. Okay, so I'm going to try running this on like a 16 plus, like a device I've never run before. And
Okay.
we'll see if it asks us for permission. And then, yeah, so we request it. It comes back after the await. We then show the picker, which opens up this thing. And then, per our designs, we want a little screen that says one app blocked animation. So I don't know. We need to see like
Yeah, let's see that.
if we're able to know when that happens. Which like it will update the selection. So maybe this will like
We we
when that
we can
changes.
we can know how many apps are blocked because we get the ID back.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, this screen was kind of just for confirmation, just so like you know it worked. Because I've been using a lot of these, and sometimes like between done and cancel, they're like kind of the same, and it like I
Yeah.
think maybe what we could add here too is one app blocked, and then add a button that says like update. So if it says like 0 apps blocked, I'm like, wait, something happened. I could click
Yeah.
update or next. Like maybe I get 2 buttons here that's like uh everything look good or oh
Yeah.
like next or block more app or edit
Yeah. There you go.
apps or something. That's not gonna work.
Edit blocked
Um,
apps, maybe.
something like that.
Nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. Was there like a shadow?
I mean, there is a shadow, but that's all stuff I can
That's fun, dude.
mess with if I get in.
Okay.
Yeah, then
So this is what pops up. Can you see my screen?
yes.
So if you hit yes, then it will pop up this screen, which
If
is
you click
great.
don't allow, do we want to have? I guess for now we'll just
We should just continue.
skip over it. Yeah. But like I feel like clicking don't allow is like pretty it probably happens a lot.
Yeah, I want to know like, okay, so we're on this line right now. It's waiting for this to come back. I'm going to put a breakpoint here and here. If I click don't allow, does it break? Okay, it breaks on the error. Okay, so this throws
It
an
catches it.
error, which is helpful
Huh.
to know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, what
nice.
error does it throw? It probably says.
Yeah, let's see. Um, I think I need to step over this line. Family controls
Mm,
authorization canceled,
cool.
which is
So if
good to
that
know.
comes in,
We
we
could
can know.
we could
Yeah.
skip it. Okay, because yeah, that makes sense.
Then we
Then
can skip
we
or
don't.
ask again. I don't know if that's allowed. Be like, are you sure?
In my
You just said you wanted it, and then you click don't allow.
yeah. Let
I
me
think
try
this is one of
rerunning.
those cases. We need one of those little buttons. Have you seen those?
What's
Let
that?
me add this to the Figma. Can you send me a screenshot? Right when it gets to the little pop-up, send me a screenshot.
Okay. What I'm worried about is this might not show the pop up anymore. Now that I've hit no,
No, you can
like here, let's.
it should show it.
Oh, okay, it does.
Bam.
Sick. Okay.
See, so excuse me. We can have I think we need a little button underneath the continue. That's like
Oh,
animating.
a little arrow.
Yeah, you seen those?
Yeah. One thing I'm worried about is I know this screen looks different on iOS 26. So it's hard to like know exactly where the continue is going to be.
What's it look like on 26?
I'll have to run it on my
Do
phone.
we have to
See.
code it for do we have to code it for two things?
Maybe. Here, Sarah's calling me. Let me. Hey,
Okay.
babe.
You can go off for a
That's
sec.
good. Hey, I'm live streaming. Are you okay? Yeah, sure. Okay. Love you. Bye. She just finished up her meeting. She's wondering if she could walk around Target.
Wow. What a dream.
Yeah, right?
You're like it closes at 10.
Yeah, that's funny. I'm like, I'm going to freeze all our debit cards. Have
Oh
fun.
no.
But yeah, no, I think that'd be a sick idea. But maybe we don't do it V1. But I really do like the idea. And apps do
Yeah,
do that,
that's fine.
which like help.
We can yeah, okay. But
Okay,
I have it noted in the Figma
nice. Yeah,
case
I'll try
we
this
need to.
on my device once we push to test flight. I'll test it and take a
Cuz yeah,
screenshot.
we'd have to do like if iOS 26 this way, if below this way, you know what I mean? It would be a lot
Yeah.
to handle.
Okay. So if we hit continue though, oh, then it does another screen.
Then you still have to grant it permission. You can still say no. You have to say it twice.
That's crazy, dude.
Because it is kind of invasive. Like, Apple has it locked down pretty good.
Yeah,
Well, super good. Like, we don't have any data on what's going on.
yeah,
But we do know something that you went to a distracting app,
yeah. And
but
like how many
it's
times
locked
you
down.
go.
We know how many times you go to a specific ID, but we don't know what app it is.
Yeah. Anyway, so you hit all these. Well, my question is like when I hit done, it closes it.
You should have just got a big payload back.
But it's like it happens within the selection. So I'm wondering if there's like something where this will tell me that it finished. Yeah, maybe something like this. Oh, so this might even be better because we can set the header text, footer text. We say when it's presented in the selection. Oh, never
Oh,
mind. So this
no?
is still, like we could do this for sure. Have the header text. I'm just want like I want there to be like a function that gets run after this closes, if that makes sense.
There's got to be something, some sort of like, there's probably somewhere now we can access like what apps we have available to be blocked. So maybe when that changes, then we could trigger everything.
Yeah. Oh, also look, these
Maybe.
are these are all the errors that could happen.
Wow.
So we got the authorization canceled, but it looks like they're
Yeah, authorization conflict. You would only run into a conflict, so screen time will block to the highest level of blocking.
okay.
So like if our app is just blocking the app, that will be higher than one that's giving you 10 minutes and then blocking it.
Oh, really?
So then
Interesting.
ours would be the screen that pops up if there's two possible options.
Oh, that makes sense. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Um, yeah, so okay. So what I'm trying to figure out now is we do have it and it updates this selection.
So
Um,
really on selection update, we need to run something, right?
yeah,
Is
and
that, do
that's
I
where I'm
understand it
wondering
right?
like maybe I could set a did set and when this gets updated, that's when we continue. I just don't know if that's the best way to do it. We can see.
Well, we almost need the screen in the background to switch right away so that when it comes down, it's just on the next screen.
Yeah. Yeah, and we could totally do that. Like we could pop up the picker at the same time, like
That
right
we swap it at. Yeah.
we move to the next screen and we just have it ready for you. And then
Yep.
once we hear that this is updated, then we could update the number on that screen.
And really we could do the same thing you did on the goal screen. We could have it pop up and say, you blocked 3 apps.
Yeah.
Like, good job.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to put this in somebody's hands that's never seen it before and just see like do they actually pay attention as everything's going
Mm-hmm.
through.
Yeah.
This. So when I select all these things, the hope would be seeing it didn't hit this. Maybe like once I see this is false, I'm going to ask chat how to do this. Okay. Yeah, we can set on change here. Okay, so once the selection changes, we'll see it reflected here, and we can run the code to move the screens.
Awesome.
I'm just going to run this and make sure. It should hit here. Okay, sick. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. So once this changes, then we can continue. Because then, yeah, this will run while this is still on the screen, and then once we like continue, that's when it drops. Perfect. So I'm gonna have like another func up here that says block like user configured blocked apps. And then at this point, this selection is going to be updated. So we could see like application tokens dot count. This will be the number of apps blocked. And then that way we can show whatever screen we want to do next. So yeah, is this the like final, I guess like
What do we want to change?
we're gonna have an animation. Like what animation should we have here?
I was thinking it could just be the same one you just had, maybe a little faster, or the same one even.
Okay.
And maybe, well, maybe we could make like the one really big and cool.
Yeah. Okay, you work on that. I'll start setting up the screen.
Something like this. You're gonna have to do app and apps.
Yeah.
Just heads up. There was, I think it was Opal. When I was setting up Opal, it was like asking me a couple questions like how often I spend time on apps or what I do. And then it had a screen kind of like this once I blocked apps. And it was like, you just saved 2 years of your life.
Yeah. That's
And
kind of
I'm like,
sick.
I'm like, okay, that's a long time.
Yeah. Dude,
I don't know.
honestly,
I struggle with some screen time stuff because like I listen to things in the car and or like I use a sleep app at night.
yeah,
And so my phone is like, yeah, you used your phone for like 8 hours last night. And I'm like, yeah, I did, but it was while I was sleeping for the sleep app.
yeah,
And so then it just kind of like skews all the data because then it's like, you used your phone for 20 hours. And it's like,
yeah.
well, it was on helping me for 20 hours, but it wasn't like
Actually, yeah,
wasting
brain rot.
time.
And that's,
Yeah, I
yeah,
wish I want him to get more. I'm hoping AI can get more specific with that.
I even get that. I put my phone on a MagSafe and it like charges it
Mm,
sideways and it has the clock up and that counts as screen on time.
yeah, so then it's like, well, that was actually a really productive hour at
Yeah,
work because I was just the time.
yeah, like look at that. That's all from sleeping, but it's not, there's no apps. Like I've only used, I honestly haven't used my phone that much today. I only have 20 minutes on Safari, but it shows
Yeah,
I have 17 hours of screen on time.
yeah. And I'm like, dude, I was at work. Like
Yeah.
we were at the park. We had dinner. I'm like, I don't know where this 18 hours comes from.
Yeah. I'm
So
wondering like,
hopefully,
does it add up all my laptops? Because I have my work laptop
oh, it
on.
probably adds up. Yeah, if you have it all turned on, it probably adds up all your time.
Yeah, maybe that's
But at
funny.
work, I'm trying to get 8 hours at work on my computer.
Yeah, yeah. It's
You
like
know?
it'd be bad if I didn't.
Yeah.
That's funny.
So hopefully, Eat the Elephant can be a little smart in when and how it shows. I mean, for now, it's just gonna if you selected the app, it's gonna block it. But hopefully, we can figure out some smarter things.
Yeah,
You know, I feel bad for people who like their job is like social media management, and so it's like they're on TikTok all day, but they're working all day.
yeah.
But then it's like TikTok's really distracting, so it's like
How do you
it'd be
know?
tough. Yeah, it'd be like, well, I did upload our video and I did do this, but I also browsed on accident.
On accident. Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna kind of copy a lot of that confirm goal screen for this. Honestly, yeah, having packages. I'm excited to like put everything, all we've done into our packages again, and we could just like
Mm-hmm.
start using it.
Yeah.
And then the next and edit blocked apps, they should just animate at the same time, right?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, if you want to do, uh, if you want to separate them out and then put the counter on the interpolation counter that like, you know what I mean? Like sets it at 0 and then like counts up to 3.
Oh, that's
It
fun,
makes
dude.
apps look good.
Yeah. Oh, I'm real down. Yeah, that'd be easy.
You know what I'm talking about? You know
Yeah,
what
so
I'm talking about?
start this at 0 and have it up to 3.
Yeah, it just but it does the like I don't know what Apple did, but it's real nice.
Yeah, nice. And this should have a little confetti as well.
Probably, yeah. And that's something I can do.
Okay, and then should the next and edit start on the screen or animate onto the screen?
They can probably animate at the same time as the apps being blocked.
Oh, okay. And then should this apps blocked always be on the screen, or should it animate in like the confirm one does?
Wait, which one?
Like this confirm goal screen.
Yeah.
Like
I mean, I
should
think
it
it'd be cool if it did that same animation.
so it does that animation and then it tick ticks the number?
I guess it could tick while it's coming in.
Okay.
If you set it up, then I can play with it.
Okay. Yeah, let's see. So I'll have okay. So this app count view. It's gonna be the main thing. And it just has a big number. Apps blocked. These are both bolded.
Just the one is just the 7. Just the app count.
Is there a font size on that?
It is 48,
Okay.
which is what you have.
Yeah, I just changed it to 48.
I mean, you
Okay.
could you could set it to Apple size.
I tried the title, like the biggest thing, and it's not that big.
Header? Is there a header one?
So this one's title. It's pretty small.
Yeah.
Headline is smaller.
No.
So I could just
Huh.
do system, which we lose the
Oh,
like.
that's true. If you do system size, then it handles it. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool.
Okay.
Cool. Cool.
So that just comes in, and then my thought was app count, like shown app count will start at 0, and then maybe once this happens, shown app count will equal app count. So it'll start at 0, and then as it animates in, we can tick it up to 7.
Yep.
Yeah. So, yeah, how do I do it?
Okay, do that, and then I got to jump off.
Okay. And watch Wednesday.
Wednesday just came out. Today's Wednesday.
Nice.
Oh, there it is, dude. Animate change. Content transition numerical. Commit that to memory. Oh, I think it'll do it for text too, but we don't need that, but.
Oh, that's fun. Is that too
Is there not a
much
stagger
time?
one? Is there not like a...
What do you mean?
Well, it's kind of weird that it says apps block 0, because then I'd be like, oh no. Like it just needs to like immediately start animating.
Oh, immediately.
Yeah.
So it'll be like this.
But can it go from 0 to 7? Isn't there like a dot, like interpolation
delay.
or no, like a change interpolation or something?
I'm going to see this one. An interpolation.
Well, I don't know if that's actually what it is, but what was it called? The thing?
Content transition, numeric text.
Yeah, chat's showing that it has to do a count. It is counting up.
It's counting. Like, should I do from 0?
It's doing like an async. Yeah, it's doing like an async.
Oh yeah,
like a for loop. It's doing a for loop.
Oh yeah, I think we could do that. Do you want to send me whatever code it has?
Yeah, it's pretty simple.
And then do we want it to end at the same time?
I mean, if you're using this code, then it will just end when it ends. Like,
yeah, I'm
so
just
you
wondering,
don't need
like,
to worry about it.
I could do for the I in minutes.
I guess you're gonna divide like 100 milliseconds or something.
That's what I was thinking. Like we could do.
Yeah, divided by 200 then. The animation is a spring animation though, so You probably didn't set a duration.
I mean, I do have, yeah, I have this duration of 2 seconds.
Oh, okay. Then yeah, do 3 seconds.
It's a spring with a duration of 2 seconds.
Three's kind of a long time.
So this is what I was trying to think about. It's like, okay, we have our app count. We should do like let time per number is going to be equal to this animation duration divided by the app count. And
Yeah.
then at each thing, we try await async task
How
dot
come?
sleep.
What's the reason you didn't like dispatch?
It's kind of like the older way of doing it. Like this is,
Okay,
um,
good to know.
yeah. And that's if this runs. I might have typed something wrong. Double eight. So this is going to be in seconds actually. That's asking for a binary integer. So I'm still going to do milliseconds, but times this by 1,000.
Cool. Yeah, that's good because then if they do have like 200 apps that they block, it won't take. Okay, something was glitchy,
Yeah,
but
something's up.
it's the spring. It's the spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, the spring will. Hmm. Interesting. I don't know why that wasn't smooth. Just try instead of the spring, just do an ease in.
With the duration still.
Same duration. I don't know. I don't know what that was. Like,
My math must be off on something. Let me see if I'm just gonna put this in and be like better way to handle number.
of course, it says yes.
Okay, so this one is a custom modifier. Let's see. So we create an animating number which handles stuff. Maybe it's wrong. But the issue with this is like it would be showing a double. So it'd be like dot zero dot whatever.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. It's fine. I mean, we can just have it animate in the number, like just 60 apps blocked.
Like from 0 to 60.
Well, just 60. Like it could just be 60.
Oh yeah.
Even if like just 60 comes in. I mean, I don't know why it's being weird.
Who knows? Maybe it's just my laptop is like kind of slow.
Number milliseconds. Yeah, maybe just leave it. Well, set it to 1,000. Set it to 1,000 instead of 10, and just leave it, and we'll just test it on the build tonight.
Yeah, true.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump off. So thank you. It's
Okay.
looking great.
Yeah, here I'll just push what I've got.
Just push it, and we can test it.
Unblock apps. Cool. Yeah, that was fun.
All right.
Okay.
See you, dude. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good job.